Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Teshia Sade, and yes, I am in the same getup as another video that you guys will see or may have already seen. So today is going to be another cook with me in moi kitchen. So today I'm going to be cooking vegan lasagna my way. I'm going to always say my way because there is multiple ways. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the ingredients I'll be using. So I have my bowl. I have some tofu left, and I got this tofu from Trader Joe's. I don't want to tilt it and the water come out. I have spinach. So with the tofu, the spinach, and nutritional yeast, that will be my ricotta. So that's going to build up my ricotta. So I also have my spices: cayenne, basil, oregano, onion powder, sea salt, rosemary, and I'm gonna grab some thyme. I did get some thyme, guys. So for the sauce, I use arrabbiata. It's kind of like a spicy sauce, and I get mine from Trader Joe's. This stuff slaps. What does that mean, slaps? Okay, so I have some Daiya cheese. I already had this, so I didn't get the stress, but this works just fine. And I got Follow Your Heart Parmesan cheese. Got to have this. Okay. I got some Great Value lasagna noodles. Don't know how many I'm gonna need, but gotta have your noodles. And an onion. And let's see how much. And I got some garlic left. So yeah, that's pretty much all of the ingredients. So let's get into it. So hey guys, I'm back, and I'm about to put the noodles in the boiling water, and I'm gonna cook that for a few minutes so they're pre-cooked. This is what the noodles are looking like, and you just drop it in there. Do not break your noodles. That's 3. Okay, so while that's boiling, I'm going to let it boil for 6 minutes for good measure. While that's boiling, I'm going to go ahead and add my fave beef crumbles, vegan. Turn that on low. Grapeseed oil. So what I'll do is I'll add half of my onion to the pot to cook with the meat, and then I'll save the other half for the actual lasagna. Now I'm about to add some salt. So now it's time to build the lasagna. You want to set your oven to 420. I'll set it to 410. So actually guys, I set it to 375. I don't know what I was thinking, 420. So this is what the noodles are looking like in extremely cold water. And my oven is preheated. Here's what the meat's looking like now that it's semi-done. So guys, while the oven is preheating, I'm going to go ahead and build the lasagna. So we have tofu, extra firm. I'm going to set that in there. Discard that. Take a napkin, and you want to get some of the excess water off. Okay guys, so we're back. So we're about to build the ricotta cheese and everything else. So I have the tofu from earlier and I've broken it down into crumbles. I have rinsed spinach here. And yeah, we're about to make the ricotta cheese. So as far as seasoning goes, with any cheese, you always want to have your nutritional yeast if you use. You always want to have your nutritional yeast if you use this. So I'm gonna do that much. That was a lot. One ingredient I forgot, guys, with any cheese you're gonna make, always make sure you have half of a lime or a lime. So squeeze a lime. I'm gonna go in with some seasonings, some onion powder, some cayenne pepper. So guys, I do not have regular coconut milk. I have the vanilla flavor because we use this a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a half a cup of vanilla coconut milk to the ricotta. Not even a whole half a cup, just about that much. Okay. Now for your ricotta, you can add the spinach if you want, or you can just do the dough like this. Just mix it as it is. I'm gonna add some more seasoning. So this is what it's looking like. So now I have the noodles and I'm going to go ahead and dry them off a bit. Ooh, they're slippery. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the ricotta. You guys can see that. So this is with the Parmesan cheese on top. Guys. So hey guys, this is how your face look when you're in the kitchen with 375-degree heat Fahrenheit. Okay, I'm hot. All right, so we have this beauty here, and I'm about to put her in the oven. So guys, I might be inserting pictures of the lasagna because I want to cut on my AC. It is hot in here, and I want to sit down. All right, so I'm gonna clean up and I'll be back. If you guys do not see video footage of how the lasagna turned out, I will definitely insert a picture. So like, comment, and subscribe, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.